The rain started the day she left. Soft at first, almost gentle. He waited under the old bridge, the place they used to hide from storms. Minutes turned into hours, and the rain grew heavier, colder. He finally understood. Some people don't say goodbye. They just disappear into the weather. And as the storm swallowed the road, he realized something painful. She didn't forget him. She just chose a world where he couldn't follow. Some paths are meant to be walked alone.
Not every goodbye needs words.
And the rain kept falling, like it was remembering everything.